Gaano na ka-open book si Miggy online?
Since bata ako, I'm struggling of who I want to be. Jumping to college naman, when I was 18, my dad passed away.
How did you cope up with it?
Now, nawala na si Papa. May mga dreams na hindi nabigay si Papa kay Mama. Now, I wanna give it to her. Soon, I wanna give you a house, Mom. I wanna buy you your own car. I'm not a perfect son. May mga pagkukulang pa rin ako kay Mom. But you will always be part of me. Andyan ka, always.
What was your motivation? Na parang, okay, someday ma, I'm gonna give it back to you.
Nung bata pa lang kami, si Papa laging sinasabi, wag mong papabayaan sister mo and mama mo. You should always protect them no matter what.
If people like meet you in person, they could really feel na you're very empathetic, you're very respectful of your own emotions and other people's emotions. How did you get to that point?
I love making people feel acknowledged. I congratulate them and I tell them that I'm really proud of you. I'm so happy for you.
Of course, this is something that is common to everyone who's exposing themselves online. Haters, negative people. How do you deal with it?
Madami pa rin mga nagsasabi na baduy, ganyan. Well, wait till you get to know me. We could be best friends.
Bro, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you.
My pleasure.
Super happy ako that I got to know you the past couple of months. And of course, marami na tayong kwentuhan and content because of the Joas Brothers. But I hope that this kind of serves a way for people to know you, how I know you. Although parang short time pa lang tayo magkakilala. Every single conversation that I have with you is super insightful.
Okay.
And also just really creative. And I just really appreciate you taking the time to be here on the show, bro.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, man. So it's kind of like a get to know me.
Yes,
Okay.
it's more of that. We're just gonna be talking about your story because I feel that you have been kind of exposed in the online world for a very long time. Gano'n ka nakatagal?
Been years. Siguro 7 years.
7
Since
years.
Ray started, my partner by
Yeah.
name. Yeah.
And if you would like rate it, how would you say gaano na ka out in the open or open book yung si Miggy
Si Miggy.
online?
Siguro, I would say probably around 6, 7.
6 or 7.
I don't know. Yeah, kasi siguro I tend to like siguro half, like 5 or 6. I would
Okay.
give it
Yeah.
that rating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi parang,
Kasi since, di ba, well, aside from doing social media, my work is social media din, di ba? So everything I post with Ray, ina-upload namin. So that's us. Like daily vlogs namin, you get to see, you get to be with us. But aside from that, yung mga hilig ko, yung mga likes ko and dislikes, like toys, I like collecting toys. I love watching movies, like anime. I tend to flaunt it. Like these are my recos, or I post sometimes if you guys have any recos, like please paalam nyo sa akin, mga ganyan. Yeah.
Yeah, and parang kanina nga off the cam, di ba, pinag-uusapan din natin. We're both watching the same
Invincible.
thing. Invincible.
Yeah.
It's something that we're also watching.
Yeah.
Parang happy ako. Kasi I remember din nung nasa Vietnam tayo, first time kitang ma-meet in person.
Vietnam?
Parang, yeah.
Vietnam ba yun? Okay.
Yes, Vietnam. Parang you asked me like, bro, do you watch anime? I was like, sadly,
Ganun lang
no.
yung mga ko. If I meet someone, hey man, do you watch anime? And they will like, nah. Joke lang.
So yan, sabi ko, damn, I gotta watch anime para may mapag-usapan kami ni Miggy. No, but yeah, I was so happy na nakita ko nga na pinapanood mo. Anyway, you've been creating content for 7 years now.
Yeah.
But before that, can you share, for of course people who maybe are not familiar with your work, with what you do, can you tell a little bit of backstory? Maybe you could start with where you grew up, and how it got you to this point na nagki-create ka na ng content.
Okay, so I grew up in sa village sa Project 7 along QC din naman.
Alright.
Tapat lang ng SM North yun. I lived with my mom, with my dad, and my sister. So there's 4 of us sa bahay. Tapos, yung mom ko, very strict yan when it comes to studies, especially nung bata kami. Like, wow, every day, pag mag-aaral kami, yung libro namin, naka-advanced reading yun. So, yung i-discuss book, itatakal tomorrow for the class. Kailangan, may exam si mama doon for tonight. Oh. So, ganun tsaka gagigil. So, yung mama ko very strict when it comes to me and my sister. So, parang honors kami noon, ng bata kami. Ayun, and then, I grew up with them until high school. Until first year college. Kasi jumping to college naman, when I was 18, my dad passed away. So, doon nag-decide yung mom ko na parang, kasi throughout her life, kasama niya yung dad ko doon sa sa mga house namin na yun. So parang she wants to live in a new environment. So parang sabi niya, alis na tayo dito.
Yeah.
So lumipat kami, nag-decide kami lumipat sa condo naman. And then doon nag-start yung college life ko sa Grass Residences. So lumipat kami.
Sa Grass ka tumira. So matagal.
5 years, 6 years din ako doon.
What? Okay, okay. Kasi my family is also living there. So.
Until now?
Yeah.
Talaga? Your mom?
Brothers, yeah.
Brothers mo.
Nag-aaral din kasi sila ngayon sa colleges, so doon din sila nag-stay.
So,
okay, so yung Grass na yun, okay.
When my dad passed away, yung mom ko sabi, alis na tayo dito.
Were you close with, who were you closer more? Your mom or your dad?
Magkaiba eh. Pag may mga ibang hilig like sports, cars, papa ko kasama ko. Kasi yung papa ko, nagbayan siya dati ng cars. So parang doon ako medyo may alam-alam sa cars. Pero wala pa akong masyado hilig when it comes to like yung deep dive sa cars. I just know which is good, yung reliable. I just know how to appreciate. Pero hindi pa ako nag-deep dive. So yun, that's my dad.
Yeah.
Medyo hustle din siya everyday. Yung mom ko naman, yun, she's always helping us sa studies, kami ng sister ko. So, medyo mas close kami parehas kasi kinokonsente ako ng dad ko, kinokonsente din ako ng mom ko sa mga, for example, nakapag-aral na ako.
Yeah.
After nung studies ko for the day, sasabihin nung dumadating na yung friends ko, mga kababata ko, papalakpak na yan. Pow, laro na tayo, let's go play. Tapos, papa ko, wag ka muna lumabas. Si mama ko, naka-aral na yan.
Yeah.
Naka-exam na yan for tonight. O sige na, ayaw mo na. So parang, tsaka I lived with them for 18 years. So talagang super close kami both sides.
Okay.
So yan. And then we moved to Grass Residence. So starting college life ko.
Yeah.
So it's just me, my mom, and my sister.
What did you take in college?
Unang-una pala, bro. Nag-FEU ako.
Uh-huh.
Software engineering. Pero sobrang hirap pala nun. Akala ko it was gonna be easy. Since I like computers, di ba? Coding, it's gonna be easy.
Parang before kasi, parang ako din kasi nag-computer engineering ako. I thought it was like, nangangalikot ka ng computer. Pero hindi magko-code ka pala.
Yes!
So, not for me. Anyway.
Sabi ko, ayoko na math. Ayoko ng mga ganyan, memorization or like problem solving, ganyan, equations and all.
Yeah.
So, nag-software engineering ako. Putik, mas mahirap. Kasi yung encoding and all. Codes, damn. Pero dati medyo may nangyayari pa na parang pasahan ng pasahan ng through email or chat yung pasa mo yung
code
answers yung code. So, parang kailangan di ka mahuli. Yung mga discarded before. So, software engineering ako. Tapos, sobrang di ko siya kaya. And sobrang tamad ng utak ko na parang hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko dito. Hindi ko na-enjoy. Nahirapan talaga ako. Hindi ko gusto yung environment. Parang, it's not me. Me. So, nag-cutting na lang ako every other day. Parang hindi na ako pumapasok. I met my friends. Doon ako nag-addict sa Dota.
Okay.
Mineski lang kami. Tapat, di ba? Diyan na lahat ng computer shop. So, computer every day. May mga pinapasukan ako at some. Pero doon ko na-realize, sobrang nakakaya sa mommy ko. Kasi my mama was alone, di ba? So, sabi ko, sinasayang ko pa.
Yeah.
So, pero, wala. So, enjoying ko na muna tong first few sems na to. Like, kasi kami, sa EYA kami. So, tri-sem.
Okay. Yeah.
So, tinapos ko muna yon. Pero alam ko nga, I'm not gonna pass most of my subjects. Tapos tsaka na ako mag-explain kay mama. Na ang dami kong fail.
Okay. Yeah.
So, natapos ko, and then, dami ng bagsak, and then, dami na din ako. Yung parang din-drop na ako kasi dami lagpas na yung absences ko.
Okay.
May mga ganun na.
Yeah.
So,
pag may parang maximum number of absences Then pag sumobra ka na, automatic na yung parang hindi ka na pasado.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So, ayun, sinabi ko, parang it's not for me. I'm really sorry. Tapos umiyak mom ko. Sabi, ba't ngayon mo pag ginawa to na it's just me and your sister. You should be the one yung mag-man up for us. You should focus on your stuff. Sabi ko, I'm really sorry, ma. Ewan ko. Parang, imbes na mag-mature ako, parang medyo na-stuck up ako sa hindi ako nakapag-consume ng reality na parang I'm enjoying.
Yeah.
Ewan ko, ang weird ng vibe ko na parang mas happy-go-lucky ako na my dad is with me. It's just my mom. Parang in-enjoy ko na, walang magagalit sa akin, so whatever. Pero, still may doubt. Kinakabahan pa rin ako. May takot pa rin ako sa mom ko. Naaawa ako sa kanya. So sabi ko, I need to man up na. Ngayon, ito lang sasayangin ko lang to kasi talagang I don't feel it.
Yeah.
After nun, sabi ko, ako, lipat ako. Sabi ko, communication arts ako. I think that's what I'm good at. I love talking. Since bata ako, I love talking. Especially me and my friends. Sobrang daldal namin. Alam din ng mama naman yun. Sobrang dal ko. I'm very curious. Dami kong tanong.
Yeah.
Minsan napipi ko na siya. So, nag-mass communication ako. Major in broadcasting. San Lorenzo. Sarado na yung school ngayon
Okay.
Funny thing.
Talaga? Wala lang San Lorenzo
Wala na,
ngayon?
tabi ng Circle C.
Okay,
Oo,
okay.
sarado na siya. So, San Lorenzo ako doon, sinamahan ng cousin ko, nag-enroll ako. Tapos, it was easy, smooth. Tapos, first few subjects, sa first few sem, na-enjoy ko. Sabi ko, ito na yun, I think this is gonna be it. Dali lang, enjoy ko.
Yeah.
Still may math pa rin,
Yeah.
economics, ganyan.
Pero wala na.
Wala
Like,
na,
na-enjoy mo na
basic,
talaga siya.
basic na,
So,
basic.
nung
Yeah.
nag-communications ka na sa San Lorenzo, did you become like a good student na after that?
Not really. Not really. Not, no.
Did you stop, playing Dota or something? Or
I
it was...
stopped playing video games pero medyo nabarkada ako. Alam mo yun, may mga
Mm.
dumating na temptations. Diyan na
Yeah.
pumasok yun. College life eh. Kasi parang FEU ako. First year college, hindi ko pa tinapos eh. Parang tayo sem lang, isang sem.
Sleep ka na.
Labas.
Mm.
So dito, parang basically restart yung college ko. So I met new friends. Diyan pumasok yung temptations. Ano?
I think I resonate with it. Like the story arc of
Yeah.
super resonate ako dun sa sinabi mo sa mom mo na parang hindi talaga to for me. Kasi sinabi ko rin yan at one point. Ako naman, 4 years.
4
4 years na akong nag-computer engineering.
Tapos tsaka mo
Tapos sinabi
tinigil.
ko, this is not what I want.
Ang galing mo ha.
Oo.
Patapos ka na ha.
No, dami ko talagang bagsak din nun.
Okay.
Parang hirap na
Pero
hirap
you
talaga
were
ako.
barely making it. Parang ganun.
Super, as in, barely, first subject ko pa lang sa college life ko, bagsak na agad. Bagsak na agad ako ng trigonometry. So parang ako, medyo hirap na ako, but,
Yeah.
for me, hindi ko rin talaga alam kung ano gusto ko eh. So parang ako, go with the flow lang. Kasi up until matanggal ako, that's when I'll say na, okay, this is not for me. Pero hanggat di ako tinatanggal,
Yeah.
sige, I'll just keep on doing it. So yun, nung medyo natanggal na nga ako, na parang sinabi ko na rin sa mother ko na, wala na talaga. Actually, nag-shift lang ako ng ibang course. It's still engineering. But, because of that conversation then with my mother, na medyo, syempre yun, naiyak siya, disappoint siya, di ba? Bakit
Yan
ngayon
yung mga
pa?
mami eh. Mas malalambing.
And at the same time, single mother din
Mhm.
yung mom ko. So parang, yung pera din nakakapanghinay.
Yun nga.
And I think, nakaka-resonate din ako sa parang man up. Sige, kahit pa paano ayusin ko.
Kailangan
Hindi man yung
eh.
total 180 shift na,
Hindi naman.
okay
Pero
na.
kailangan mong at least magising na I need to do something kasi
Yeah.
sobrang nakakaya. Yung sacrifices nila.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so,
yeah.
you graduated.
Mascom.
Okay.
So,
Then nag-work ka.
actually, and then, second year college ko, doon ko na nakilala si Ray.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
So, parang, second year college pa lang, medyo may intro na ako sa social media. Ayan na yun.
Paano mo nakilala si Ray?
Tinder.
Okay.
Yeah,
Tinder. So, second year college ka, Tinder.
Tinder.
Yeah.
Swipe everyone. Joke lang. But, sorry. Ayun. Kita ko si
Yeah.
Ray. Swipe. And then, that's where I met Ray. Tinder.
Yeah.
Funny story. Tagal na namin. 10 taon na. Pero yeah, Tinder.
Bro, and by the way, congratulations
Thank you,
on the engagement, bro.
man. Thank you.
We'll talk about that in a minute.
Yep.
Pero I'm curious na okay, you met Ray. By the way, guys, full story on Joas Brothers. So kung hindi niyo pa alam yan, panoorin niyo doon. So na-meet mo siya second year, tinapos mo yung college pa din.
Tinapos ko.
Okay. And then did you apply for jobs?
I did kind of apply for jobs. So, eto, diba? So, si Ray, parang third year college ko, parang after a year namin, or like, after a year namin, sabi niya, she wants to do her dream. Parang gawin ko na yung dream ko. I wanna upload content on YouTube. Dati hindi niya pa alam na pwede kumita. She just wants to express herself, to share, to show what she loves, like makeup, travel, ganyan, lifestyle. Sabi ko, tara, bili tayo, ganyan. Bumili kami ng equipment, ganyan. So,
how did you take that? Was it more of like, yeah, sige, sure, or did you see na parang, oh my gosh, yes, I feel like you can be successful at this?
Yes. Kasi we've been a year together and kilala ko siya, nakikita ko siya, she's very good in talking, madaldal yan, she loves sharing. So, parang sobrang personality niya talaga yung YouTube. Sabi ko, tara na malaman. Tapos tagal niya na sinasabi sa akin na tagal niya na gusto mag-start. Pero syempre, focus on studies, hindi pa namin masingit. And then one day, nag-step up na lang talaga kami na sabi niya, gusto ko na, babe. Sabi ko, tara, game na. Start na natin. Sobrang saya pa namin dati na pagka-setup namin ng ring light, yung camera, kinonect namin ng HDMI sa TV, nakikita niya yung sarili niya parang ganito. So, sobrang saya namin like, oh, damn, mama made it. Parang ganun yung vibe. So, tuwan-tuwa kami na parang yung kita mo yung sarili mo and then you're talking and then ang ganda ng makeup mo and then you're like, ooh, congrats, love. So parang sobrang happy namin
Yeah.
that moment.
You mentioned na parang you were also into communications. Parang at that moment nung nakita mo na ba siya, did you also see yourself na, I could also do this?
No pa. It was just her. Kasi ako parang ang nasa focus ko noon is matapos ko yung studies ko, get a good
Okay.
job. Kasi hindi na bira eh. Like nagfo-focus na kami kasi parang third year na ako noon. So medyo nag-start na mag-thesis. Tapos OJT. Tapos realidad na kailangan mong maghanap ng good work.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
So parang, kasi lagi din sinasabi na sa akin ng dad ko noon, yung one of the greatest blessings is parang may financial freedom ka. Yung mahal mo yung job mo, pero at the same time, you can go wherever you want. Yung you have a good set of income, mga ganyan. So parang sinasabi ko yun na, sige, I'll work hard para at least magawa ko yun.
Yeah.
Kasi yung cousins ko before, when I see them, ang ganda ng job nila, and then nakapunta sila kahit saan-saan. So parang yun yung dream ko din.
Yeah.
Magkaroon ng magandang trabaho, I can sustain my life, my partner's life. We have food, and
Yeah.
I can go wherever I want to.
Yeah.
I have financial freedom. So, ayun, yun ang focus sa akin. Hindi pa masyado. And then, few years na nasa YouTube series, sabi niya, babe, why don't we start our own channel? Sabi ko, sige, kasi giniguest mo lang naman ako palagi sa video mo eh. So, nag-decide kami mag-start ng own channel namin.
Yeah.
Tapos tuloy-tuloy na-enjoy namin palagi. And then, brands started coming in. Ngayon na may mga nag-tap na sa amin na brands. And then we get paid na sa YouTube.
Yeah.
So we were enjoying every bit
Yeah.
of it, every process.
Is there a part of you that parang thinks of because aligned naman yung communications, but are there like other dreams that you had to let go, or parang visions or pictures of versions of yourself na parang okay, since papasok ko na to, meron bang mga versions na Miggy na parang okay, or dreams or goals?
Siguro hindi dreams kasi ako since bata ako, bro, I'm struggling of who I want to be. Parang hirap na hirap akong pumili ng kurso. Hirap ako mag-envision ng sarili ko. Parang 10 years from now, who I wanna be. Mga ganyan. So, parang yung andun ako sa college, ang iniisip ko lang, mga job opportunities ko. So, parang hindi siya like literally dream. Pero, ang gusto ko talaga is, I wanna create my own prod. Like, ako ang videographer, I'm a photographer, I have my team with me. Parang ganyan, we shoot stuff, we create music videos, we create commercials, mga ganyan. It aligned pa rin sa ano ko.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ko yung medyo aesthetic kasi ako na person. So mas gusto ko yung medyo mas parang kumbaga maangas, yung aesthetically pleasing, like magazine shoots, mga advertisements ng mga cars or mga sports, yung mga ganyan, mga fast action shots. Mga ganon gusto ko dating shoot. Ayoko yung medyo parang not into news. Ayoko yung mga ganyan. Gusto ko medyo maganda. When sa portfolio ko, ang ganda.
So, cool talaga.
Cool, yeah.
Stuff.
So, ayun, gusto ko din yun. Parang kind of like, yes, dream.
Yeah.
So, yun yung gusto kong dating gawin. Pero, yun nga, YouTube, start na kami mag-income. Yan.
Yeah. I think what I love about what you also shared na there parang bumabalik yung lesson na binigay sa'yo ng dad mo, which is financial freedom.
Yeah.
Na you had to work. This came parang there was a point in your life na you had to kind of man up because your dad wasn't there anymore. Did you, or what was like the biggest lesson from that phase of you kind of navigating, because of course you were very close with both of your parents, and like all of the hobbies, syempre, di ba, lahat yan sinishare mo sa dad mo. Like when he passed away, like how did you kind of coped up with it, or how did you moved on from it?
At first talaga, hindi nag-sink in sa akin. Well, hanggang ngayon naman, parang nag-aaway-aaway pa rin kami. Pero mas close kami ngayon.
Okay.
So, pero may mga realization na parang now na wala na si Papa, parang syempre may mga dreams na hindi nabigay dati si Papa kay Mama. So, parang ako now, I wanna give it to her. So, sabi ko, soon, I wanna give you a house, Mom. I wanna buy you your own car. I mean, she has a car, pero, I mean, alam mo yun, yung mga hindi dati nabigay ng dad ko na dreams niya. So, parang, ayun, yung yung slow process bro yung pag-realize ko. Kasi makulit ako sobra eh. So hindi siya like in a snap na nag-kick in sa
Yeah.
akin. Until now, I'm not a perfect son. May mga pagkukulang pa rin ako kay mom. Pero tinetend ko na at this time to time, bumabawi ako kay mama.
Yeah.
Pero sabi ko still, I'm still building my own story, ma.
Yeah.
Building my own path. So, but you will always be part of me.
Yeah.
Andyan ka, always. Andyan tayo. Parang magkasama tayo, like holding hands tayo every step of the way. So, andyan yung pag-kick in na parang I need to focus on my career para ma-help ko si mama, makabawi ako sa kanya.
Yeah.
Pero at the same time, I'm enjoying
Mhm.
then. So, parang hindi ko siya totally switch na nawala yung dad ko.
Yeah.
Like,
Ano na,
focus,
provider na
hindi,
talaga.
hindi,
It's more like a
hindi.
balanced transition.
balance
to it.
Parang step by step, ganyan.
Ah,
And then my mom now, parang nakakuha na kami ng condo.
Yeah.
My mom has a condo. I'm paying for it. So, she's super happy. Super active naman siya doon. Kasama siya ng choir. May Zumba sila every weekend. Super active sila. And my mom's engaged then.
Yeah.
I'm super happy for my mama.
Cool. I think I want to ask, the reason why I asked that, kasi of course, like, how young were you when
18.
18 years old?
Yep.
So, as an 18-year-old, of course, syempre hindi mo pa alam gagawin sa buhay mo, and then something, something like this happened. Parang I'm just happy to know that that's kind of like the perspective then. Kasi for some, di ba, doon pa mas masisira yung buhay nila. For you, it was like, okay ma, holding hands tayo, magkakampi tayo dito. Like, why was that important for you? Especially, kasi for sure, alam mo yun, I don't know, was this something na parang lagi sinasabi sa'yo ng dad mo na magkakampi kayo ng mama mo, or ano, parang what was your motivation na parang, okay, someday ma, I'm gonna give it back to you?
Well, ako, nung bata pa lang kami, si Papa laging sinasabi, wag na wag mong papabayaan sister mo and mama mo. You should always protect them no matter what. Lalo na pag nag-aaway sila ni Mama. Si Papa, when I observe him, sobrang tahimik lang yan. Never nag-answer back. Love na love niya si Mama. So parang yan ang number one lesson niya sa akin is to always take care of your mama and your sister. Sila ang dapat number 1 and 2 girls sa life mo. So parang now, and then, kasi since wala na si Papa, makulit ako, minsan napapabayaan ko sila. Pero ako, in the back of my mind, parang I should always think of them na parang, I need to give back to my mama. I need to puntahan ko yung sister ko. Kausapin sila time to time. Ayun, ganun. So parang sa process na I'm growing up, kasi di ba ang aga na wala ni Papa, the first few months, first few years, medyo bulak-bulak ko, ganyan, hindi ko ano. Pero ngayon na mas tumatanda na ako, I'm turning 30, mas medyo talagang nag-sink in na talagang my mom is with me, siya yung nagpalaki sa akin. So, don't worry, ma. I got you. You're gonna be here with me. Ayun.
You mentioned, that's so nice to hear as well. But you mentioned din na parang sweet si Papa mo kay Mama mo. And I think one of the biggest things na napansin ko agad sa'yo, I mean, you guys, by the way, you and Ray are just like really meant to be as a couple. Like
you.
super sweet niyo tignan. Parang super match talaga.
Thanks.
But I'm curious, ano yung parang nakuha mo from your parents na ina-apply mo ngayon sa relationship mo with Ray?
Siguro, ano bro, sobrang ma-communicate ako. Tsaka second is, nakuha ko yung lambing ni Mama and ni Papa. Like, love spending quality time. Ayun. Ako kasi, when it comes to Ray, parang, kunwari may ayaw ako, or may gusto ako, or may napansin ako, parang hindi siya okay for me, lagi kong kine-communicate. Isa yan sa mahalaga talaga sa relationship, bro. I think good communication is one of the top 5 musts in having a healthy relationship. Always communicate with your partner. For example, may mga ayaw kami na dislikes kami sa isa't isa and I feel sorry for it, or like ayaw ko nung pinakit niya sa akin, so I could try to communicate and I say I'm sorry and I'm not trying to change you, pero sinasabi ko lang, nag-release lang ako ng emotions ko na at least you try to na naiintindihan mo ako. That's why medyo nasa lulungkot ako. Ayun, I think that's one of the things
so
na nakuha ko kay Mom.
communication talaga. If that's like one of the top 5, can you share like if you would like share your top 3?
Top
Ano
3.
what's
Sa relasyon.
important sa isang relationship?
Okay. Mahirap to ha. Sa relationship, siguro yes. Isa na doon yung good
Communication. Yep.
communication. Number 2 is siguro, uh, hirap
Kasi bro, I something na, of course, again, congratulations on the engagement, but you guys have been together for like 10 years.
Yes.
And you guys saw
Sobrang taon.
different versions of yourself.
Totoo.
Na parang the young Ray and Miggy, then the parang adulting na, and then ngayon na medyo mature na, like, diba, for sure, ang dami yun na napagdaan, ang dami yun na away na resolve, ganyan. Aside from communication, ano pa?
Good communication, partner siguro is teamwork. Parang building your dreams together. Like, tulungan kayo every step of the way. Kung love mo siya. If you see your future with her, parang, kasi andito na tayo sa like maturing, 20s na building your, going to 30s, gets mo yun. So, hindi ka na like basta puppy love na girlfriend, boyfriend. If you see yourself with her, build your dreams with her. Kumbaga, tulungan kayo. Kahit may different paths kayo, like either like iba siya ng gusto, iba kayo ng gusto, pero always support each other. Give time. Kung busy ka this week, at least try to appreciate her. Parang give her words of affirmation na, I'm really proud of you, pero I'm gonna be here every step of the way. Tutulungan kita sa gusto mong career. And then pakita mo din sa kanya na you're passionate with your job din, or gusto mong maging. Alam mo yun, parang sobrang best friends kayo. Teamwork kayo every step of the way. So, ayun lang. May mga hindi yan perfect. May mga pag-aawayan kayo dyan. But be there for each other. And then magugulat kayo kung asa na kayo. You're gonna look back. Damn, we're here now.
Ganda nun. I love the teamwork part especially. Parang, inisip ko sino iba, di ba? Pag parang jowa mo, like girlfriend, boyfriend, they would think it's all about the romantic stuff.
Hindi.
But it's really
for
team effort.
For me.
Diba?
Ano yan? Kasi parang other half na siya eh. Yung heart mo may other half na eh. May kahati ka na eh. There's two parts of you na. You and you, someone who represents you, someone represents your heart. It's your partner, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang, so dalawa na kayo, split into half na kayo. So
Yeah.
everything you do, kahit hindi naman like super joint, pero be there for each other. Like understand each other.
So, I'm really curious kasi kayo, you kind of like had the same trajectory, even though you kind of had your own personal brand, and Ray has hers. Parang parehas kayo ng industry, parehas kayo ng path. Why is it important for like people in the relationship na to have like separate goals, or is it okay na parang wala, like joint lang talaga, or do you think it's important na kailangan meron kang gusto on your own, meron akong gusto on my own, like the individuality of, that's what people call it. Do you think that's important?
Ako, mixed emotions ako about this one.
Okay.
Kasi I have friends na they don't have anything separate na parang kanya to. Meron sila like, they have a business silang dalawa and it's so big na they're doing so good. They're so happy. They're very successful. They're very healthy as a couple, yung relationship nila. So, parang it's a matter of like communicating lang talaga with your partner and yung relationship na binuo nyo eh. Something na hindi mo naman kailangan magbuo on your own.
Yeah.
Pero it's also good na may na-start ka na on your own and then you're doing really good and then your partner's really doing good din sa kanyang path. Parang kami ni Ray, I have my own YouTube, I have my own social media, and then she has her own. Pero we also have businesses, pero medyo joint pa rin siya.
Yeah.
Medyo magkasama pa rin kami in everything we do. Yes, I have my own social media. Yes, she has. Pero medyo same platform pa rin. So parang kami, medyo magkasama pa rin lahat ng ginagawa namin.
Yeah.
So,
do you try to find like me time, or are you?
I always do.
Is it a requirement for you guys?
Me time doesn't mean naman na parang kailangan may dedicated day ka para sa iba. Ako parang sinisingit ko siya every day. For example, tapos na yung work, tapos na namin mag-spend ng quality time with Ray, nag-meeting na kami ng plans namin for the month, ng trabaho, check ng calendar. I always make sure na every time I go to sleep, man, parang I give back to myself na, okay, I showered, I worked out, nakatakbo ko, pagika ko, ayos ng comforter, play ng movie ko na gusto. Sobrang relaxing sa brain. Yun yung therapy ko every night.
Yeah.
Sobrang sarap. And then, Ray's gonna join in after niyan mag-nails or after niyan mag-work. Sobrang saya lang. Parang,
Yeah.
alam mo, nagigets mo yung vibe ng kwarto. Dim
Ah.
lights. You're just gonna watch your movie.
Pero yun na yung act of like just preparing the comforter, getting the chips ready,
Pero,
and then choosing the movie. Like yun na yung therapy eh.
Yeah.
And then, okay, kung ako lang, I would enjoy this. If sumama si Ray, okay lang din.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo yun, it's the choice of that eh.
Iba-iba na me time eh. Minsan may me time ako na I love just looking at my toys. Gumagawa ako ng photography time. Okay, this day is gonna be for my toys. Linisin ko toys ko.
Yeah.
Or meron din car day. Like upgrade ng car wash ng car with friends, meet up with friends. So yung mga gusto ko, basically yung me time ko bro, yung mga hindi gusto ni Ray.
Okay.
Diba? Ganon.
Na gusto mong gawin.
Na gusto kong gawin.
Pero ayaw mo sumama, Ray. Sige, me time ko na to.
Me time niya. Me time ko yun. Ganon.
Okay. Of course, hindi lang naman puro highs and puro, rainbows and butterflies sa isang relationship. Of course, dumarating din talaga sa struggles, challenges.
Palagi.
What was the biggest challenge that you and Ray kind of experienced during the 10-year relationship that you guys have?
Siguro bro, yung spending time together since naging super busy niya and ako parang past few years. So may dumating na time na parang we weren't spending much time together. Medyo really focused on work na parang, for example, she's gone the whole day and then she's gonna come back. Parang ako, at least that I expect is kwento mo how your day was. Parang I want you to share to me kung anong ginawa mo today. Like, share mo yung thoughts mo. Like, super excited ka sana umuwi na makwento sa akin. Pero minsan, late na. Minsan, kinuwento na eh, no? Pero ayun, minsan uwi na lang late and then she's gonna turn on the PC. Workaholic kasi siya sobra. Pero I'm super freaking proud. Super freaking proud ko. Ganyan siya eh. Magkaiba kami.
Alpha talaga eh.
So, pagka uwi,
hustler eh.
computer, meeting, daming kausap pa rin. 2:00 na ng madaling araw. Ganon. Tapos minsan may time naman ako din yung ganon. And then, yung mga ganyan.
Yeah.
So parang nawawalan kami ng time. And then, minsan lumalalim na parang imbes na we could have talked, hindi namin napag-uusapan. So, we always go back to the number one most important thing is good communication. So, pinag-uusapan namin. We always make sure. Pero hindi may iwasan yung sa umpisa magtatampo ka muna at mapag-aawayan, tas lalalim.
Yeah.
Yung ganyan.
Yeah.
Ganon. And then, ikaw nga, you spend so much time sa
Yun
trabaho mo.
lalabas
Nakalimutan mo
na.
yung, tas ako, why? I'm doing this for us.
Yeah.
Ako, I also have my own time, pero binibigyan kita ng time pa rin whenever I get home because you're my home. So, parang, after I work, I spend time with you, kukwento ko sa'yo. Parang ikaw, the least that you could do is just show me you're excited to see me or kwento yung day mo. Mga ganyan, and then lumalalim.
Yeah.
Pero yun. Kaya we're so past that.
Yeah.
Sobrang okay naman na.
Of course. I think nabanggit sa akin ni Yani, I don't know saan niya nakuha to, but totoo ba, paki-confirm, na ngayon na fiancé levels na kayo, totoo ba na mas careful ka?
Sobra. Ewan ko.
Okay.
Careful in what sense?
Parang, hindi na tayo magjowa lang. Kailangan mas updated na.
Sa lahat ng bagay, bro. Sa lahat ng bagay. Ewan ko, after namin maging engaged, parang sa lahat ng bagay, mas overprotective ako. Mas makulit ako sa chat. Asan ka na ba di ka nag-update? Bababa lang ng hagdan. Magchinalas ka nga. Madulas ka dyan. Ewan ko lahat. Every time I go to sleep. Cuddle, lambing. Good night, love. Good night, fiancé. Lambingan namin. Parang mas naging times 2 yung clinginess, yung pag-protect mo, yung pag-isip mo sa kanya. Ayun, medyo. Tsaka hindi siya like pilit. Parang willingness ko na I just woke up and then mas nadagdagan yung plus points ng ano ko. But
so you can say like there's really a difference.
There is.
Na kapag
there is. Kasi
may sing-sing
you ask her to marry you eh, di ba? So parang ready ka na, you wanna marry her. So parang iba na yung level na parang I wanna marry this girl. I should take care of her. Show her na parang I'm a shoulder to lean on. Lahat na andun. Hindi lang puro give. Medyo may ikaw na rin na sense of parang questions sa sarili mo na am I able to provide?
Yeah.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Lalim lahat mag-sink in. But fuck it. But damn, I'm gonna marry this girl.
Yeah.
Yun.
Love that. Yun naman ang ano. I think it's a funny thing, but also it's a really thoughtful thing to kind of like level up everything, especially like you're getting nearer to that,
Yep.
next chapter of your life. Again, congratulations, brother.
Thanks.
Super happy ako with everything. Okay, something na I guess I want to ask. Of
Mhm.
course, pinag-usapan natin yung challenges kanina. Was there a time that you guys almost broke up?
Meron,
Mm.
meron.
Or did you guys break up even?
Hindi. Laging parang aalis lang ako for a week. Away.
A week? Sorry, a week?
Yeah, a week.
Ay. Ay.
Isang
A
linggo.
week? Bakit may guest na bigla dito? A week.
Ah,
Okay.
punta ako sa friends ko. Siya
Okay.
different set of friends.
Okay.
Kanya-kanyang kwento. Tampuhan
Ah.
malala eh.
Ah.
Tampuhan, away malala eh. So ako uwi muna ako sa amin. Siya
Ah.
doon pa rin. And then she's gonna meet up with her girlfriends. Ako I'm gonna meet up with my boyfriends.
Yeah.
Kwentuhan side-side. Tapos syempre same group of friends naman kami. Pag nagkita yon clash.
Ah.
Kaya si Miggy si Ray ganyan eh. Ikaw sabi mo daw, ganun.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Ah.
Nakakatawa ba? Sobra.
I mean, ngayon nakakatawa na kasi you can look back at it. Parang, anong ginagawa natin? But like for you, what's the biggest lesson from that?
Biggest lesson talaga bro is dapat kayo talaga mag-uusap. Tsaka, yung pride, may pride kasi eh. Hindi, ang hirap iwasan talaga nun kasi minsan nagigigil ko talaga na, ba't hindi mo pa rin, like sorry ka na, ba't mo pa rin ginagawa? Mga alam mo yun, mga
Yeah.
naiinis ka na. Pero, minsan, hindi mo din matitiis eh, na parang, tsaka you love her, di ba? And she loves me, so parang, you just have to talk. Kailangan yung ayusin. Kasi, hindi lang sa nangihinayang kayo sa lahat ng binuo nyo, pero may
Yeah.
sense of this girl, she's my other half na I need to talk to her kung ano man yung naging problema namin. And kaming dalawa lang makakaayos nun, hindi ibang tao.
Yeah.
Hindi manggagaling sa iba kung ano man. It's just us.
Do you have a rule ngayon na parang, are there like things na pag mga gantong bagay, atin lang to? And hindi na, alam mo, we're not gonna get, kasi it's still important to be open to kind of like
Oo naman.
third
Yes,
party
of course.
perspective, other friends, other POVs. But meron bang mga parang bagay na parang, ito atin lang talaga to?
Sa relationship?
Yeah,
Meron ba, love?
Are there like, ikaw, meron bang mga, like, anything, kunyari, kunyari, away, level of away, may mga ganun ba na, or are there
Now.
like, now,
Now.
ngayon.
Now, yeah. Yun. Actually, lahat kasi dude eh. Di ba we got engaged? Lahat nag-level up na. So parang lahat mas naging overprotective na kami, especially sa isa't isa, sa plans, sa mga goals namin, sa mga dreams namin, na
Yeah.
parang, ganun. Parang, okay. Parang mas takot kami sa evil eye. So we kind of like protect it more now and just tend to like share it sa mga really close friends, mga ganyan, you guys.
Yeah.
So parang ganun, na hindi kami as open as before kasi we're kind of like protecting our space na rin, our mental health, mga ganyan.
Yeah.
So everything follows, but yeah, priority 2025, good health, mentally, physically, emotionally.
I'm seeing,
Yeah.
tumatakbo kayo, no? Na
Yeah.
dire-diretso back
So,
to the
ayan.
active era,
So,
running
ayan.
era. Of course, again, on the note of, let's say, fighting and arguments, do you guys have like a secret sauce na parang a way for you guys to fix the problem? Meron ba kayong parang, I don't know, framework or like
Wala.
process?
Ako
na-
pag
paano
nag-away
kayo
kasi
nag-aaway?
kami, ako sobrang pikon talaga ako.
Okay.
Kasi madalas mag-aaway kami sa mga things na nangyari na before.
Ah.
So pag ako nag-aaway kami, parang I'm so mad na I don't want to talk to you muna. Just give me few hours and then eventually, kausapin na kita, lambingin na kita. Si Ray kasi yung type na, babe, I'm so sorry, talk to me. Parang she's not gonna stop na until di kami mag-usap.
Yeah.
So I appreciate that din naman. Pero siguro, lagi kaming ganyan. Mag-aaway and then medyo ma-pride ako first few hours and then before the day ends, mag-uusap.
So you appreciate the space like given,
But she doesn't really like give.
after the fight, no? Kasi nga, again,
Yeah.
it's either you fight, you freeze, or you flight eh.
Yep.
Diba? Pipili ka dun eh, kung paano eh. And for you, parang, I think we mentioned this din sa episode namin ni Mikey na parang, if you wanna fix the relationship, the best way to fix this is to not talk about it right now. like step away.
I think
I need
I think
space.
that's a nice
Gusto
take
mo
to it.
maayos mabilis to? Okay, just let me
Okay,
have
just give
my
me a few
peace.
hours. Okay na to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganon. Kasi ako minsan pag nag-aaway kami, parang gets ko naman eh. Na-play ko na sa utak ko yung kung ano man sasabihin niya.
Yeah.
Nag-sorry siya, yung dahilan niya.
And then
So
alam mo
parang,
rin naman na pride din naman yun.
so parang
Ganun.
ako, galit lang ako. Galit pa ako.
Yeah.
So, give it a time. Kakausapin ako ulit. I know you're sorry. Appreciate it. I know. Hindi na, sige. Mamaya,
Mamaya
kwento
sa
mo.
podcast mo, sa episode mo, doon ka mag-share. Bro, ang isa sa mga napansin ko sa'yo, and this is something na natuwa din talaga ako with, also talking to Mikey and even RK as well, kahit hindi yun yung pinoproject niya sa Joas Brothers. You're very emotionally aware.
Mhm.
Like, it's contrary to the bad boy vibe that you're
Bad
like,
boy
that
okay.
nakita ng mga early people na nakita ka sa online,
Yeah.
bad boy.
Yeah.
If people like meet you in person, they could really feel na you're very empathetic.
Uh-huh.
You're someone who's aware of, like, you're very respectful of your own emotions and other people's emotions. Did you kind of like how did you get to that point na parang emotions
Siguro,
are very important?
ever since bata ako, bro, ganun na ako eh. Medyo, very emotional akong tao. And nafe-feel ko din if may energy release yung people around me na ganun. So, whether it's like bad or good or very like an emotional day for them. So parang I always make sure, people pleaser din ako kasi. So parang I love making people feel parang acknowledged,
Yeah.
appreciated. So I make sure din na nababanggit ko, especially if they have their like moments or times that they're really proud of. I congratulate them and I tell them that I'm really proud of you. I'm so happy for you. Ganyan. It comes from my heart din naman. Hindi ko lang sinasabi yun kasi like what am I gonna build out of that?
Yeah.
It's just that I'm really happy for you. Ganon. Ganon
So
lang din
you're
ako. Kasi
very
ganon,
expressive.
yes,
Yeah.
ganon kasi kami ni mama eh. Tsaka si papa since bata kami. Tsaka
Kahit
yung
si papa
family
mo?
ko.
Yeah. Very expressive siya
Yes,
sa
especially si
emotions.
mama. Si mama yung very, very expressive. Yeah.
You also mentioned na you may pagka people pleaser ka. Of course, it's not really healthy to become a people pleaser because for some, alam mo yun, hindi na talaga.
Yeah.
Was there a point that this people pleasing, because it's good naman that you want these the people around you feel appreciated and heard, right? But were there moments in your life na the people pleasing was actually a bad thing for you?
Siguro not really a bad thing kasi medyo marunong din ako tumansya. Like, I play my ground naman na siguro ang pinaka pagka people pleaser ko is hindi ako masyado nakaka-say no pag may mga yung friends ko like let's do this, let's do that. Pero kahit ayaw ko or kaya group of friends, majority ganyan na. Parang hindi na ako magsasabi ng, guys, I think mas maganda tong ganyan. Parang, okay, let's go with the flow or I think that's a good idea. Ganun na ako agad sa friends ko. Medyo ganon. Parang people pleaser ko when it comes to...
But what do you think is the importance of saying no to people?
Especially saying no. Saying no, of course, gives a meaning na parang, ano ba?
Parang yung iba, di ba, for some, inisip na pag, I think, as a recovering people pleaser myself, parang when I say no, parang I feel like I might disappoint, people.
Oo. Lagi ko iniisip yan.
Diba?
Lagi ko din iniisip talaga yan.
But,
parang, kaya ang hirap din minsan talaga mag-no, no?
Na
Super. Or kaya hindi mo alam kung paano nila iti-take yung no mo. Baka mamaya ma-feel bad sila or ma-disappoint sila sa'yo or sinasabi nila you don't like what I'm doing or against ka sa idea ko. Especially when people are sharing kasi parang for them it's the best idea or the good idea or yung probably like yun yung mas magandang path na kunin natin when it comes to like a group of friends. And then you're gonna say na i-debunk mo yun. Sabi mo, no, I think this is the, parang ang hirap mag-ganon minsan eh.
I agree.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, na-realize ko, tell me if you agree with this as well. Parang as I grow older, as I mature, parang nakita ko that the people who can handle my no's are the people who I can kind of consider my friends as well. Parang it takes the same level of maturity
Yeah.
to accept other people's no's.
Yeah.
Na
Yeah.
parang
It
you
is.
understand that it's
Uh,
nothing personal.
totoo.
Na
Totoo.
parang, no, I just don't want this. And that's okay.
Mhm.
Na parang, di ba, ewan ko, did you have like friends na growing up na kailangan iisa kayo ng trip sa buhay, lahat magsama
Ganyan
sa peer
before,
pressure.
totoo, totoo. May ganyan talaga,
Yeah.
hindi mawawala yan. Pero now, parang lahat nag-mature eh. Now, when someone says no, okay, gets na natin, he doesn't like this, iba na siya. Pero at the end of the day, pag nakita-kita, we're still friends.
Yeah.
Di naman ako happy sa friends ko, mga kababata ko. Everyone matured naman.
Yeah, I love
So,
that.
yun.
Again, I'm super enjoying this conversation.
Me too, me too.
And wala, kukwentuhan lang talaga tayo, but I feel like there's so many nuggets that people can get from this.
Mhm.
Do you one thing that I'm like here, siguro a question
Mhm.
that I'm seeing. Let me know if you're okay to answer this or not. But I'm seeing a lot of comments from maybe Ray's content or maybe from Joe's brothers as well, na they're not really sure ano ba talagang ginagawa mo. Like, may mga comments na, ano ba ginagawa ni Miggy?
Aha.
Like, ano bang work ni Miggy?
Wala, nag-ML.
Aside from content creation, do you
Yeah.
have other things that you're doing as well?
We do have a couple of businesses, ganyan.
Yeah.
And
I just want to put that on record na parang guys, may mga businesses sila.
Yeah.
So hindi lang naghihintay ng content si Miggy. Meron man.
Well, in terms of like how I get my money, where do I get my money
Yeah.
from? Yeah, so we do have a couple of businesses and social media.
Mm,
So I think that's it.
yeah.
I think that's it.
You mentioned kanina na ngayon medyo nagiging parang overprotective na with everything, but
Mhm.
also kind of like next leveling everything, health, like wealth,
Yes,
everything.
yes.
Meron bang nagbago sa lifestyle nyo na when you guys got engaged? At least for you, maybe for you.
Yeah.
Nagbago routines or
Yes,
anything?
meron.
How does your day look like now?
Mas ano ka na, parang sinishare mo na talaga yung time mo with your partner. Like, you make time na talaga. Like, for example, mag-adjust na lahat. Babe, what's your day? What's your plan? How's your day going to be? So, busy morning. And then, I have my free time sa ganito. And then ako, free time ako noon. So, I'm gonna give my time din sa kanya. Like, I can go with you. Samahan kita to ako. Samahan kita mag-workout. I can bring you there. Pwede kita ihatid.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Mas joint na yung, namin, yung time namin together.
Yeah.
Mas open na kami. Mas flexible na.
And ang nakikita ko rin ngayon, ikaw specifically, dire-diretso ang running era mo. So you're back
Yeah.
into running.
I'm back into running pero not competitive running. Parang medyo health-wise pa rin na parang I'm trying to lose my belly fat, love handle. So, health-wise pa rin. Kasi sinasabayan ko lang si Ray sa training niya eh. So, ayun.
What about running that you enjoy so much?
Medyo siya eh. Parang your mind is free. I don't know. Parang therapy din siya for me. So, parang dati I'm gonna play video games, diba? It's gonna take me hours. Ngayon, I'm just gonna spend an hour and a half sa running and then my mood is gonna be so much better. Pero, gabi ko siya ginagawa. Parang pagod mo na ako morning, dami ginagawa work. And then before I sleep, or before we go to dinner, takbo kami. Ganyan. Aside from, it's good for your health, sobrang okay din siya for your mental, for your brain. Like, sobrang relaxed mo. Just running you're with your friends. Kakain kayo sa gabi. Mga ganun.
Yeah. And dami rin nating adventures na mga basketball or running as well.
Yun nga, gusto ko nga bumalik basketball
Oo
natin.
nga eh. I think it's really good as well to have like a very, very active kind of lifestyle as well. Of course, with your content, it's now, it's still parang, if you would put into buckets, like what are the type of contents that you're creating right now? Ano yung mga contents na yan?
Now, siguro lifestyle. There's travel, there's fashion, and funny videos with my girlfriend, with my fiance. So, ayun lang for now.
Yeah.
What else do I do?
yung
I think that's it, yeah.
Is the funny thing kinda something na ginagawa mo na before? Or is it something na ngayon wala nilalabas?
But it's been me na hindi lang nabivideo. It's been me for years na hindi ko lang binivideo na gano'n kasi dati medyo popogi ako. Like, kailangan maganda yung image ko sa nahihiya ako, pakita na kulit ako, ganyan. Pero now, like, kulit na namin ni Ray. So, it's just recent lang namin ginawa na parang just take a video of us, ganyan.
What's the shift? What happened?
Wala lang, parang I just grew up. Parang I just became mature. Na parang naalis na lahat ng hiya ko. Don't wanna pretend. This is me. Makulit talaga ako eh. So let's just take a video, upload it, ganyan.
And there's an overwhelming, response, positive responses as well. Na, ganyan pala si Miggy.
Yeah, dami nga daw,
di
sabi
ba?
ni Ray.
How are you kind of like parang receptive of that, na parang yung sa mga nakikita mo mga comments ng mga tao sa'yo na, ganyan pala talaga si Miggy.
Well, syempre, natutuwa ako na parang they're getting to know me, pero nahihiya din ako at the same time. Well, parang, baka masyado na akong kenkoy or cringe. But that's me. I mean, come on, you hate me or you love me, man. So, that's me.
Yeah.
Pero madami pa rin mga nagsasabi na baduy, ganyan.
Yeah.
Well, wait till you get to know me. We could be best friends. Madaldal ako. So.
I think another question, of course, this is something that is common to everyone who's exposing themselves online. Haters. Like negative people. How do you deal with them?
I think I do have haters. Ewan ko. Actually, hindi kasi ako nagko-consume ng comments. Pero, dati may pinapatulan ako early days. Early days na nakikipag-away ako. Like, first year ng content creation namin. And then, na-realize ko na, etong mga comments na to, it's just gonna bring you down. Pero, for me, dapat hindi ka na magpa-apekto. Yes, okay lang na to be affected, to feel bad for it. Kasi normal siya eh. Pero wag mong isasabihin sa brain mo na ganyan na talaga siya eh. Kasi di ba babe, di ba, may friend tayo na nagsabi na, it's a them problem kasi they're being rude online. It's them for not appreciating you, for nagkakalat sila ng negative energy. So dapat wag mo na siya i-consume. I mean, it's okay to read it kasi andyan siya, pero wag ka na magpa-consume kasi it's only gonna bring you down. Focus on your growth, focus on your, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Pero they're always here. Hindi na mawawala yan kasi everyone has their own opinion. Hindi mo na talaga mababago yan sa lahat ng tao. There's millions of people. Hindi lahat yan magugustuhan ka. Hindi lahat yan pare-parehas ng pananaw. So, it's okay they're there. It makes you a human. May mga tao na nakapansin sa'yo. But don't absorb na siguro. Kasi, mabigat din minsan eh. Kasi minsan may mga, especially pag very emotional or very special yung video na in-upload mo for you, and then may mga diba? May mga parang ang pangit pa rin nung sinasabi. So, parang ma-hurt ka pa rin. So, it's okay. I-ano mo lang, parang understand mo lang, and then, pero eventually, labas-pasok lang dapat.
Yeah.
Just focus on your growth. Ikaw lang naman yan. Kasi hindi naman wala naman silang matutulong sa growth mo. It's just you alone. Or whoever you're with who's building your ladder.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Read it, pero do not absorb.
Yeah.
Or siguro, mas maganda kung medyo huwag ka na mag-deep dive. Huwag mo na masyado basahin. May mga aabot pa rin yan, for sure. Sa'yo, mababasa mo, or isasend sa'yo ng friends mo. But that's okay.
Yeah, I think...
Kasi alam mo naman sa sarili mo na you're a good person.
Yun na nga eh.
Wala kang tinatapakan. You're just doing you. You're just doing you. Literally, you're just doing you.
Yeah.
You're enjoying, just sharing content. Yeah. If you don't like it, if they don't like it, then wag nilang, pero yun na nga. Hindi mo maalis yung,
totoo.
You look stupid, you look like shit. But, yeah.
It's so crazy, no? Na parang, wala namang, like, before, I thought that there was a level of kind of hate that is kind of accepting, parang okay lang i-accept na, maybe ganyan siya sa personal. But you know what, guys? Something that I also realized that yung mga content creators, influencers, or even like celebrities, like, they're like such good people.
Yeah. And they're just trying lang din.
And they're just doing their best.
Yeah. They're trying every day.
They're gonna make mistakes.
Yes.
They're people.
Nobody's perfect naman eh. And everyone's trying. Di ba? Everyone, lahat sumusubok, lahat nagtatry, lahat gumagawa. Everyone's doing.
Yeah.
So, I don't know why.
And it's just so weird that people would really take the time to kind of like...
Totoo. May ganun. Parang buhay nila yun.
Yeah.
Parang buhay nila mampahiya. Buhay nila makakalungkot sila.
Yeah.
They should have just focused on themselves. Diba? Read or watch good content na makukonsume nila. Hindi yung ayaw mo na nga yung pinapanood mo. Basura pa yung isusulat mo doon.
Diba?
Nag-improve ka ba niyan? Hindi ka naman nag-improve niyan eh, di ba? Pero ako, hindi ako masyado nagko-consume talaga.
Yeah.
Hindi ako nagbabasa eh.
Okay. But again, really enjoying your content, especially the funny ones. Super cool.
Thanks.
I think
there should be more. Di lang kami nakaka...
Aesthetic pa din, pero nakakatawa talaga. Any kind of advice for people? Maybe they're also like creating content, but di pa nila malabas yung pinaka-authentic side nila.
Siguro, just be who you are, just be raw, just enjoy every bit of it. Enjoy mo lang. It's a step-by-step process eh. Hindi naman like perfect agad yung contents mo, hindi naman perfect ang image mo, yung diction mo. Lahat kasi yan mag-overthink, lahat lang mag-sink in na, okay ba yung mga sinasabi ko? Okay ba yung itsura ko? Di ba? Yun
Lahat
naman,
ng
ano
doubts.
eh, medyo image una agad iisipin ng tao eh, di ba? When ano. So yeah, it's the way you talk, the things na you broadcast, yung mga sinishare mo, is it
Yeah.
meaningful? Is it all positive? It's a step-by-step process. As long as you enjoy. And you're a good person, wala tinatapakan, mabait kang tao. So ayun. And then just be raw. Di ba? Enjoy mo lang.
Yeah, love that. Thank you so much, brother. And of course, di natin matatanggal talaga na a lot of people look up to you guys as
Thank you.
An parang a role model as as partners, as couples, as now fiance.
Yeah, yeah.
But maybe any advice for people who also want to stay
Together
for a very long
Ah,
time.
ah.
If you could like give one piece of advice, what would it
Siguro
be?
take care of each other. Alagaan mo. Show them you love them. Show them that you have time. Show them that you care for them. Show them na you're with them every step of the way. Na hindi ka basta andyan lang para sa mga clingy days or sa mga you just miss her. Hindi. You're there with her kasi you love her. You want to grow with her.
Yeah.
Show her or show him na parang it's you and me against everything.
Yeah.
Ayun, everything will follow. Susunod na yung respect. Always, syempre, andyan naman yung respect. Ganyan. Pero everything will follow.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Love that. Thank you so much, brother.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate you hopping on the show, sharing your life story,
Yep.
and of course,
Pero alam mo, parang dami pa natin
Wala
masishare,
pa.
no?
As
Oo,
in, like,
dami pa natin mga kwento
kaya
eh.
natin mag-3 oras
Oo.
dito. But I'll definitely have you on another episode.
Yes,
Ano ba
please.
naman ang pag-uusapan natin? Maybe one episode, puro Invincible reference
Okay, yeah.
na.
Maybe one episode, lahat ng kulitan, high school, lahat
Yeah.
ng likes, dislikes, anime.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Wala
That's really
eh.
fun.
Kulang
That's
kasi
really
isang
fun.
oras kailangan i-condense
Parang
lahat. But
medyo get to know me.
Yeah,
Ako
and
nari
very
good boy pa.
surface
Ako nari
wala.
good boy pa ako ngayon. Yes, miss you. Yes.
yes, that's me. No, ba't ko nabitin kayo guys? Joas Brothers, panoorin niyo yan.
Oh,
Dire-diretso kami
Uy,
na-upload
maganda
dyan.
yung episode, ano namin?
7
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yeah, so episode 7 and 8 sa Banahaton. Panoorin niyo.
Yeah, but again, appreciate you big time. Thank
Thank you.
you so
Appreciate it.
much
My pleasure,
for
bro.
being here. I'll link down Miggy's socials below. You can check it out para makita nyo rin, masubaybayan nyo rin ang story nila.
Okay.
But again, I appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you so much. If you like this one, give it a like, subscribe, follow for more content like this. And this is Small Talk, and I'll see you guys next episode.
See ya. It's my first ever podcast. Ano din?
Talaga? First
Invite?
time?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
yes.
thank
The
you, man.
honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys. Bye.